I'm gonna do some cooking tonight on the Firebox stove again. I just got some pieces and I'm gonna do using the Billy kettle, the zebra. I'm gonna make a pie. I'm gonna use the Firebox stove. And let me show you what I've got as ingredients. I've got broccoli, I've got ciasto francucci, which is dough. I've got eggs, and I've got cheese in my fridge, if it's still there. This is the cheese. Where do I have the bacon? I do have bacon somewhere. Oh, in the fridge, of course. Bacon is in the fridge as well. So I cut the broccoli really small because it's gonna be in this Billy kettle that I'm gonna be using as an oven. So this has been cooking long enough. I don't need that much fire, but I need coals to go on top later. So next is the bacon, if you can see me. So that's going really well. Here I've got the frying pan, I've got some oil in it. So I've got the dough. I don't know how you call it in English. Of course it's way too big, and I should have known that there is protective paper, so I didn't have to coat the pan. Anyway, hartstikke. Now, as you know, you put some holes in it. I never knew why, but that's what you do. Now I've got some nuts. Normally you take really small ones, but I don't know, I got these, so this is what I'll use for now. Hazelnuts, cashew nuts, some other nuts, I have no clue. So next is the broccoli. I hope it's dry enough. Too late anyway. The nuts. Next I use eggs. I don't know if you can see it. A little bit of milk. So here comes the bacon. And last but not least, the cheese. Lock it up. Next is I'm gonna put some hot coals. Not sure if I should do this now with audience, but I'm gonna open it up. Not bad at all. Needs longer. It is of course after 10 minutes, 15 minutes, sorry. 15 minutes, but looking good. I'm going to show you the results of my baking. So this is the result. And people and a lovely, what is it? Quiche.